daddy. Move, swing. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes. I've been watching too much TikTok lately, but what's up, you guys? It's your boy Keen's vlog with a brand new banger. And I've been trying to do this intro for so long, guys, that I'm out of breath. But for today's video, guys, I'm gonna be sleeping in the trunk. And right now, I'm gonna go check which trunk, if my dad's trunk or mine, whichever is bigger, you know, so I could have more space. But yeah, so I could barely talk. I've been trying to do this intro for so long, so don't mind. But yeah, I saw this video on the Dobber brothers. I don't know if you guys know them. They did that video and it was lit. So, and I've been trying to do this video for so long, for a couple months already, a month or two. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to smash the like button and smash the subscribe button. Help your boy get to 5K subscribers, all right? By the end of the year, that's my goal. And yeah, so let's go see right now. I'm gonna go check right now which trunk. And yeah, hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy this video, right? Drop a like. Let's go. Alright guys, so I chose my dad's car trunk since it's bigger, way bigger than mine. And I'm gonna be leaving the lights on. Hopefully the battery doesn't die. I don't think so, but it's 10:06. And I'm sweating, guys. It's so fucking hot inside here. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. But make sure to smash that like button for me. Look at it. Guys, look at that. Oh my god. Smash that like button, alright guys. And so it's 10:06. It's getting so hot. So right now I'm gonna be probably watch like some YouTube videos or something. But yeah, it's freaking hot. Smash that subscribe button as well, alright? I'll catch this vlog in probably a couple hours or so. And hopefully I'll be able to sleep here since it's fucking hot. But if it's hot, guys, and I can't sleep, I'm gonna need to go back inside, alright? But yeah, let's go. This is the trunk. Alright, and I made the seats go down, you know? But yeah, the lights are gonna turn off, yep. Alright guys, so right now it's 11:19. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's 11:19 and I was watching some face rug and waters right now. But yeah, that's how it looks. That's how it looks right here. Yes, sir. But yeah, guys, I was watching some Brawadas. This thing right here. The fishing. I don't know if you guys are subscribed to him, but yeah, he makes some dope ass videos. Dope. But yeah, guys, so it's pretty hot. I've been here like almost like more than an hour. It's freaking hot, but I don't know how I'm gonna lay down. Pretty tired, man. I don't know if I'm sweating on camera. Guys, it's hot. It's so freaking hot. Yes, sir. Right here. Yes, sir. I'm gonna turn this off, but yeah, I got it hot. Keep you guys updated, and yeah. Man, I took like an hour nap. Let's see, it's 12:23. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it's 12:23, 12:24 now. But guys, I keep on waking up. It's so hot and it's getting me uncomfortable. Like It's really uncomfortable and I'm sweating. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, no, right here. But yeah, guys, I'm really sweating right now. Man, at least I'm just trying to make it like until 5 a.m. or so, hopefully. And yeah, guys, keep on liking this video, subscribe, turn on my post notifications. I'm risking this for you guys. No AC up in this building, up in this, I'm just kidding, up in this car. But yeah, guys, it's fucking hot. It's hot, man. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, right? More sweating now. And I can't sleep. I can't get comfortable at all. I try to get comfortable, but I can't. It's 1:21. Guys, it's really hot. I don't know if I could do it. But man, it's really, really hot. Like, I'm dripping sweat. I don't know if you guys can see that above my eye. This is so hot. Don't try this. And I didn't even bring water or nothing. Just trying to see if no one comes out in the garage. Man. So sweaty. It's 1:21 and I didn't even bring nothing to eat or something like a snack or something. No water, no nothing. That's a bad idea. I'm sweating like a bee. I'll catch you guys right now, right? Man, I'm just trying to get comfortable and sleep already, but I can't. I keep on waking up. It's so hot. And yeah, I don't know if I could do this. Probably tap out right now, but yeah, let's go. All right, guys, so where's my Hispanic people? If you guys know this sound, I love you guys. Look at this. Yes, sir. You guys know it? Comment down below. I'm not trying to get copyrighted, but if you guys know this sound, make sure to drop a like and comment if you guys know this sound. All right. But man, it's getting hot. Hot and harder. Hot and hotter. What the heck? It's getting hotter, guys. Sweating a little. But yeah. Come on. Alright. Where's my Hispanic people? Like, if you guys know this sound, comment down below. I'm not trying to get copyrighted, so I just play a little. If you guys know the sound, comment below and like it up. Alright, guys, subscribe. And man, it's so hot. Oh my god. I don't know how I'm doing this, but make sure to smash that like button, right? And that subscribe button. Oh man, let's go. Guys, the show is keeping me, busy. La Rosa de Guadalupe. It's 3:37. Man, this is a good one. Yes, sir. This is bomb, guys. Real life thing, Man, it's just hot. I don't know if I can. I've been here like for, I don't know what time to start, 10? I've been here almost 6 hours or 5:30. I don't know, guys. But it's getting so hot and getting frustrated. Man. Guys, I don't know if I could do this shit no more. I woke up again and it was so hot. Oh, damn, look at my hair. Guys, it's 4:32. Man, it's so hot, guys. I can't no more, guys. I'm sorry, but I just can't. It's super hot. But at least I got it through until 4:32 in the morning. I just can't no more. It's so hot. But man, I'm gonna get out. Get out this car. Guys, it's just hot. Oh my god. When I opened this door, like the air, oh, it felt good. Guys, it feels good now. Man. Oh damn. Guys, it feels good to be back inside now. I'm never doing that thing again. Probably a part 2, but it's only gonna be for you guys. So make sure to smash that subscribe button and show me love on this video, guys. Cause man, that was really uncomfortable, but yeah. So look at my dog. What's up, Bosley? What's up, Bosley? But man, guys, I'll close up this video here. I'm not trying to talk loud since my parents are sleeping, so I'm gonna close this video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button and that subscribe button. Turn on my post notifications. And yeah, it's been your boy Keenan's Vlogs, and I'm out. Peace.